Hey foodies, welcome to Cooking Shooking. This is your boy Yaman and today I'm going to make some besan ke laddus. Actually on our announcement surprise video, there was a comment which says like in your new kitchen setup, please make something sweet at first, something like besan ke laddus. So I could not resist myself, so I'm going to make some besan ke laddus today. Very easy recipe and you get some beautiful laddus for any occasion that you want to make it for. So let us start making it. So let's begin. We are going to heat up our kadhai. To this I'm going to add ghee. I'm going to go with 6 tablespoons of ghee right here. As the ghee gets hot, we are going to add in our besan or gram flour, 1.5 cups. And this is coarse variety, not the fine variety. Coarse variety is much better. Now we are going to stir this really well and we are going to cook this until it gets light golden and we get a very aromatic smell from it. And yes, make sure to cook this in low to medium flame, on the lower side of course, because this besan can burn very easily. That's the reason we want to cook this in low to medium flame and keep it moving all the time. While you are stirring this, make sure you break the lumps of this besan as well. That will ensure it is very evenly and nicely cooked. I can already start feeling the aroma because I am so close to it, but you can also see the texture here. We are halfway there. I know it's very easy to leave it unattended, but don't do that mistake because it can burn very easily. The bottommost layer is going to burn like just so. Don't do that mistake and just keep it moving. It has been a good time since we are cooking this. You can already see the texture once again. It is going all clumpy and like that, and it's started getting shiny all again as well, and I have been getting a beautiful aroma from it. So we're going to just cook it for another minute, then we're going to take it out. So this is all ready and this is smelling divine. It's going to be scrumptious for sure. I'm going to just take it down to the plate now. So here we have our roasted besan. To this I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of nuts powder. Actually I have just taken some cashews, some almonds and some pistachios, and I have just pulsed them once in the blender. So the powder is here, and now I'm going to add in some cardamom powder as well. Kind of mix it once. It is way too hot right now, so just mix it once with the spoon. Now to this I'm going to add in the powdered sugar, and I'm going to get my hands in. It's going to be hot, so be careful. And I'm going to kind of take the besan and I'm going to rub it between the powdered sugar. That is going to ensure the sugar is really well mixed. Now to this we are going to add in some ghee. So mixing the ghee really well. If you are more sort of into drier laddus, then you can add about half a tablespoon of ghee, and my family actually likes softer laddus, so I added 2 tablespoons of ghee right here. So this looks like all ready and smells so divine. So the mixture looks all ready to make laddus. So now I'm going to make the laddus. Just take a little portion from the mixture and press it within your hand. Now roll it once. So one laddu is already like so. I'm going to make all the laddus from the mixture. You can sprinkle a bit of nut powder on top if you wish to, and the laddus are all ready to dig in. As I said earlier, this is going to be divine. This is divine of course, and very scrumptious. You just cannot stop. The flavor of the besan is totally marvelous. Make sure you try this. It is perfect for any occasion. Thank you for watching. Haven't checked out our new Android application? Please do download and share your feedback. Thanks a lot. You can find the detailed text recipe in our new website cookingshuking.com. Cheers.